Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today I want to show you an easy, simple, and just so nice way to automatically update your Microsoft Windows, your Microsoft Office, all at the same time if for some reason you can't do your regular updates. So, regular updates, come on down here. You check for updates, but this won't always work. Sometimes you got something going on where you just can't hit update. So this awesome tool called Windows 10 Update Assistant, just search for it in Google and give it a click. With this, you'll automatically be brought up to the latest version of Windows. And here I'll show you what I mean. If you're in an older version, you can come down here. Actually, on all versions, you can type this in winver, and well, usually here, okay, it works that time, whatever. Anyways, and it'll show you what version you have. 19.03 is technically the old one right now, and the newest one is 2002. You can get down to like 1575 or something like that, but feature updates will bring you up. So what you do is you come over here, download the update assistant, and then hit update now. And the other option down there will let you download Windows 10 ISO or automatically boot from a USB drive. It's very nice. So updates the latest version of Windows 10. Update now. It'll check your CPU, make sure everything's good to go. You have to have a really old computer for this not to work on it. A really old. I mean, like, has to be about 20 years old for this not to work. And this is going to take a frickin' long time. And when you come back, you should have all your updates. These updates will include Microsoft Office, any Microsoft thing. Drivers, this will update drivers and will get you to the latest version. This is a great way to manually update if for some reason you can't update standardly. It's saved my butt so many times. I definitely recommend you check it out. So after all this is done, this is probably going to take forever, and at the end it'll be like, oh, we're done. You have a half hour to reset, and you reset, it'll go through the updates, you'll start up, and you should be good to go. And yeah, that's the good stuff. Alright, so this is going a bit faster than I thought it would. Alright, so after the download, of course, you have to install. This is going much faster than I'm typically used to. The older you're outdated, the longer it's going to take, of course. Yeah, so once again, this definitely takes a long time. When it's done, you'll get a half-hour countdown time in which you should save all of your stuff, reset, and then as soon as you turn it on, you should be with the newest version of Windows 10. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated, and as always, take care of each other, folks.